Good morning, Chip here with Hybrid and Electric Car Sales, coming to you from my back lot in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. Got a big project going on this month, got a couple big projects going on. I'm gonna share it with you. So let me flip the camera around and show you what we got going on here. All right, and here they are. These are the projects, and these are two CMAX hybrids, a Fusion hybrid, and then we have another Fusion hybrid over there. And what are these cars? These were brought to us by clients who found us on YouTube. These cars all have bad transmissions in them. They found our videos for the squealing stator bearings and the grinding noise, and they want to get their cars fixed. All these cars are in great condition, definitely worth saving. So we're going to take you through what each one is doing individually and what it sounds like, and then what the transmission looks like in our repair going through it. So if you're wondering about pricing, every single one of these were sold at the current price, which is $5,200 installed. It's a brand new transmission from a 2020 Fusion hybrid. All compatible with these cars. We'll explain what we do to make that all work. But the very first car on the list is a silver one. This is a 2017 CMAX hybrid with 124,000 miles on it. I'm going to start it up for you here so you can hear what it sounds like. All right, so you know it starts up on hybrid mode, does the system check. This one has no check engine light. And you hear that. And this one, you can actually hear that skipping a little bit. Okay, so that means you're getting towards the end of your life. They told me they've been driving this car for a year like this. Now, as most of you know, here, the car is still running drive. And they actually drove this car which is surprising still. But we're gonna pull it into the shop and we're gonna get this going. All right, we got the car in the shop and we're gonna start it up real quick. Now you hear the skipping. All right, you can cut it off. Okay, so that is it. This one is due for the transmission replacement. We already have the one in stock for this car, so we're gonna start breaking it down. If you watched any of my other videos, you'll know that the CMAX is the hardest one to do. A lot more complexity to this one. It's less bolts, but it's more complex. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but it's very hard to squeeze past this windshield and the contraption that we've had to come up with to support the engine and everything. It just gets a little tight in there, but we have it down perfect. We have a video of that on YouTube, so check that out. Keep following us. We'll keep you updated on this video when we pull the next one in. Okay, checking in. The CMAX, the 17 is done. Go ahead and start it up. Nice and quiet. So now the transmission, hear it a little bit, but that's the normal noise. Now this is the new transmission in here. This car is running drive and we just got it back from a test drive. So now we're on to the next one. The next one is, I believe, the silver car is going to be the next car in. So stay with us.